Hello everyone, I'm Liriela and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I'm doing my casual kawaii makeup. Oh, and this video is the first video that I'm recording my voice, and it's also my first English video, so please be kind to me and I really hope you like it. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use One Step Moisture Up Pad from COSRX. It'll be enough to moisturize my skin. Then I'm going to use lip balm because I have really dry lips. Next, I'm going to use No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. Then I'm going to apply my foundation with a sponge. Next, I'm going to use Magic Star Concealer from Jeffree Star Cosmetics to cover up my dark circles and red dots. And I'm going to set up my base makeup with Jeffree Star setting powder, and it smells so good, like baked cotton candy, and I'm going to try not to eat. I'm going to use this concealer as eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going to use this medium brown color and apply it to the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to use this peachy color to corner of my eyes and mix it with the brown. Next, I'm going to use this reddish brown color to my lower eyelids. Then I'm going to use this shimmery white color to corner of my eyes. And yeah, I'm going to use black eyeliner. I really hate this part because I'm doing makeup for a few years now and it's still so difficult to get my cat eye look even. And after the eyelashes, I'm going to use highlighter, which is my favorite part. I'm going to apply a highlighter to my cheeks, but this time I'm going to use a different color, which is similar with my eye makeup. Next, I'm going to apply blush until I feel more kawaii. I'm gonna apply it to my cheeks, to my nose, and to my chin. Next, I'm going to use this lippy that I got on sale from Lime Crime about 3 months ago, and I'm in love with it. And this shade's name is Turkish Delight, and I like it more because I'm Turkish. And it also smells like Turkish Delight. Well, I'm literally drawing bigger lips on my lips since I really have small lips. And finally, I'm gonna put my wig on. Then I'm gonna set my wig. And done! So I hope you really like my video, and if you have any recommendation makeup look or any other team up, please comment below. Thanks for watching and bye into my next video.